This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 9 Java Programming Insights. Java program execution follows a specific syntax, with the main method serving as the entry point, requiring the public static void signature. The string args parameter allows passing command line arguments to the main method, which are stored as strings in the args array and can be accessed by index. System.out.println is used for printing output, and it is defined in the java.lang package. The scanner class allows taking input during runtime, not just before execution. A scanner object is created with system into read from the keyboard, and methods like nextInt read input one by one and stored in variables. Multiple inputs can be read from the keyboard and stored in an array or list. Tanput_stream is an alternative for reading keyboard inputs, reading string inputs and converting them to appropriate data types using parsing functions like float.value of and integer.parseInt. Parsed inputs are stored in respective variables, calculations are performed, and the result is printed. Java programs start with the public static void main string, args method, and command line arguments are passed via the args array, which can be iterated. The scanner class allows runtime input, with nextInt reading integers. The tanput_stream is another option for reading keyboard inputs. Inputs are passed from strings to numeric types for calculations, and println and printf are used for formatted console output. This allows for interactive programs that take user inputs, handle a variety of input data types by passing strings, and provide formatted output based on user input. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.